Planning a trip to Spain. Avoid common mistakes and discover insider tips to make your experience truly unforgettable. These 10 tips are a game changer. Let's dive in. Spain is known for its vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and rich history. But to make your trip as smooth and enjoyable as possible, there are some key things to keep in mind. From cultural quirks to travel hacks, these 10 essential tips will help you skip the headaches and focus on enjoying everything Spain has to offer. Let's get started. Learn some basic Spanish phrases. While many people in Spain speak English, especially in tourist areas, it's always a good idea to know a few basic Spanish phrases. Simple greetings like hola, hello, and gracias, thank you, will go a long way in connecting with locals and showing respect for their language and culture. Additionally, learning how to ask for directions or order food in Spanish can be really helpful. Siesta is real, plan accordingly. In Spain, the siesta is still very much a tradition, especially in smaller towns. From about 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., many shops and restaurants close for a break. While this might take you by surprise at first, it's a great opportunity to relax and soak in the laid-back Spanish lifestyle. Just make sure to plan your activities around this time, especially if you need to run errands or shop. Tipping isn't obligatory. Tipping in Spain isn't as customary as in some other countries, though it's appreciated for good service. A small tip like rounding up the bill or leaving a few euros is a nice gesture. In restaurants, it's not necessary to leave a large tip unless the service was exceptional. Taxi drivers and hotel staff also appreciate a small tip, but it's never expected. Public transportation is efficient. Spain has an excellent public transportation system, particularly in larger cities. From buses to metros and trains, getting around is easy and affordable. In Madrid and Barcelona, for example, you can buy multi-day passes that offer unlimited travel on the metro and buses. If you're traveling between cities, Spain's high-speed train system, AVE, is an efficient and comfortable way to get around. Spanish meals are late. Don't expect early dinners. In Spain, meals are typically eaten later than in many other countries. Lunch is often around 2 p.m., while dinner doesn't start until 9 p.m. or later. If you're a fan of early dinners, you may have to adjust to the Spanish dining schedule. Many restaurants will offer tapas or smaller bites in the evening if you're feeling hungry before the main dinner rush. Spain has diverse regional cultures. Spain isn't just one culture. It's a country with many unique regional identities. For example, Catalonia, home to Barcelona, has its own distinct language, Catalan, and culture, while the Basque country has a separate language, Euskara. Understanding that Spain is a collection of diverse cultures will enrich your experience, and it's always good to show respect for local traditions and customs. Cash is still king in some places. Although credit cards are widely accepted in Spain, it's still a good idea to carry cash, especially in more rural areas or at smaller establishments. Many local markets, cafes, and shops may prefer cash payments, so always keep a little cash on hand for convenience. Spain is safe, but always be aware of pickpockets. Spain is generally a safe country for tourists, but like in any major tourist destination, pickpocketing can be a problem, especially in busy cities like Barcelona or Madrid. Keep your valuables secure and be extra cautious in crowded areas, such as tourist attractions, public transport, and markets. Use a money belt or a secure bag to avoid theft. Spain has incredible wine and tapas. Spain is world-renowned for its food and drink, and you must try local specialties in every region you visit. Sip on some refreshing sangria, or indulge in local wines from La Rioja or Ribera del Duero. Pair your drinks with delicious tapas, small plates of Spanish cuisine that vary by region, from olives and cured meats to seafood and patatas bravas. Tapas are often free with your drink in many parts of Spain, so enjoy the experience. Spanish beaches can be crowded in summer. If you're planning to hit the beaches in Spain, be aware that the summer months can get crowded, especially in popular coastal cities like Barcelona, Valencia, and Malaga. If you prefer a quieter beach experience, consider visiting lesser-known spots or traveling in the spring or fall when the weather is still pleasant, but the crowds are smaller. And that's it. 10 essential things you should know before visiting Spain. With these tips, your trip will be smoother, more enjoyable, and filled with amazing memories. But if you're looking to stretch your travel budget even further, check out our video on how to travel Spain cheaply. It's packed with practical tips to help you save money without sacrificing the experience. Click here to watch it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Spain travel tips in the comments. See you in the next video.